yeah, so we'll do a bit of that. Anyway, my name's Jackie. I don't know, grew up in Brisbane. I have a fondness for horror movies, and I'm currently reading some romantasy books. There you go. Decimated, I am stripped to the bone, and I have been broken down. I am shattered glass and overblown. This took me apart piece by piece. Chuck away the bits you don't want to keep. Smoke and mirrors, I am crumpled up and stained. I am face repeating an endless drone thumping refrain. No one gets to go home. No one gets to go home. Strength and fire, in the stark and bird of prey. I am blood and sinew, I'm stretching through these aches and pains. Chuck it all away and lose the key. Forget about the bits you don't want to keep. No one gets to go home. No one gets to go home. Imagine like thudding drums here.